Excel Services is a product within SharePoint 2010 Enterprise Edition. The purpose of this video is to show how to create a report using Excel 2010 and store it on SharePoint for other people to use. I'm going to use a pivot table to connect to my reporting database. In this case, I'm using a Microsoft Analysis Services database, but it can be any other type of data source recognized by Excel. For spreadsheets that you intend to run on SharePoint, you need to change the database authentication to one that SharePoint recognizes. This configuration is done once on SharePoint and then used from all your spreadsheets. I've done this already and can use it in my spreadsheet. The reporting database has been set up to simplify the job of creating reports and dashboards. This is done by providing measures, sets, and KPIs that will be frequently used. These are the measures available from the reporting database. If you've seen our dashboard video, you will have seen the moving average measures and KPI. I'm going to use profit and loss. If I have a range of values in a hierarchy or dimension that I'm going to use frequently, then I can store them as a set in the reporting database. An example of this is a date range covering the last 3 months from today. I'm looking at profit and loss over the last 3 months, and I want to see that broken down by the P&L type. New in Excel 2010 is something called slices, and these provide a way to make your reports more interactive. This is a list of my hierarchies or dimensions in the reporting database. I'm going to allow the report to be filtered by economic region and market sector. I'm going to add sparkle lines to the table to make the relationships clearer between P&L types and also see the trend over the last 3 months. I'm also going to add some data bars to see how the overall contribution lies. To finish off, I'll do some formatting to tidy up the report. Now when I click on the slices to filter the data, we can easily see what's changing. To save to SharePoint, I select Save and Send to SharePoint. This is my folder where I want to save it. Here is the spreadsheet in SharePoint. Just to emphasize that the spreadsheet is running on SharePoint, I can open it from my iPhone. Remember that we had some calculations in the spreadsheet. These are running on SharePoint, and so would any macros if I had any created. Please take a moment to comment on the video and share this link. Or if you'd like to know more about Excel services and SharePoint, please contact us directly.